How's it going? Today I'll show you how to get this amazing live sports app to your FIRESTICK device, which you can set up in a couple of minutes and use totally free of charge. And first of all, what you have to do is get the app code downloader to your FIRESTICK. You can get downloader free of charge. To do so, just go to search on your Fire TV stick, open the search bar, so here it is, and start typing downloader in the search. And as you can see, downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So you will click on it, and here's the app which you need to get to your device. But after you got downloader, it is not over yet, because you still have to set it up. So now to set up downloader, we'll go to settings by clicking this button with a gear icon, then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Open it. And now in here, what you have to do is turn on developer options for your Fire Stick. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's pretty easy to move up here. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. You open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then you need to go to install unknown apps, and from here, all you have to do is locate downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now, finally, we go back to the list of apps on your Fire TV stick. So here it is. We open it, and there's the downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your Fire Stick. But before actually using downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing, and it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you would just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Austria right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use downloader safely. So we just go back to the list of apps on your Fire TV stick, locate downloader, and finally open it. Now just wait for it to load, and when it fully loads, you just go to the search bar and start typing in the code, which will be 7, 2, oopsie, made a mistake, should be 727 8004. So once again, 727 8004. That is the code that you have to enter. So make sure to enter it as you see and do not make any mistakes. Then click on Go And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you would get even more content about Fire Sticks. And then the download of the app will start. Usually takes only a couple of seconds. After that, press install and make sure that the app gets properly installed to your Fire TV stick. And after that, don't click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your device. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way you get rid of the unnecessary files from your Fire Stick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important, because by default your Fire Stick does not really have too much of free space available anyway. And now let's go finally to the list of apps on your Fire Stick. Here it is. Let's open it up, and there's the amazing application which we just got for you. So first of all, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with three horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's gonna be pretty easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble when using such apps. Then feel free to open the application. And if in here you get a message which says update now, it means that we have to go to the settings on your Fire TV stick. So go to settings, go back to my Fire TV, open it, go to developer options, install unknown apps just like previously. Just this time we have to turn this option on for the SportsX web application as well, because this way the app will be able to update. So let's turn that on and then head straight back into the application which we got for you. So we open it, click on update now, and now the app will be updating on your Fire Stick. And then click on install, and now the app will be finally updated and should work fine. So click on done and open the app one more time. And now in here finally you get access to loads of channels on your Fire Stick. I just had to blur out my screen because YouTube does not allow me to show you the exact channels available in this app. But in your case, of course, it's not gonna be blurry. So enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.